Now, before you actually buy crypto, I recommend you to go to security. So you would just set up your Google Authenticator for Binance, and there will be an option here to set up. And this way, every time you log in into Binance, they will ask for the two-factor authentication, and it will be an app on your phone that you will use to sign up. I really recommend, especially if you have a big amount. Other security steps that I recommend, of course, phone and email verification we already completed in the registration process. But there are still things you can do. For example, the anti-phishing code. So this, when Binance sends you an email, it will always send you the code so that you know that the email is actually from Binance. Another thing that I like to have is the withdrawal whitelist. So I can only withdraw to the crypto addresses that are whitelisted. So if someone hacks your account, which should not happen, by the way, if you have two-factor authentication, but let's say if someone did hack your account, they cannot withdraw to an address that is not whitelisted. And it's also a good idea to set a 24-hour limit withdrawal whitelist so that for newly added whitelist addresses, they won't be available for 24 hours. So this is what I like to do. There is security key if you want, of course, but it's not really necessary. And this one, I don't think it's a good idea to leave it on. So just leave this one off. When you create your Binance account, you want to make sure to use a referral code, because the referral code will give you discounts every time you trade on the spot market. In order to find the referral code, just go to the link below. It will be the best referral code that you can get because we are a Binance affiliate that will give you the highest discount possible. So it will be a lifetime 20% trading fee discount on Binance plus a $50 welcome bonus. So those are the basics. I have a lot of Binance tutorials which are more advanced, so make sure to check out the playlist on my YouTube channel. I am How to Buy Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe if you want more tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.